1 minute, sir, 1 minute. હું તૈસે માઇક
इधर अरफा आती नहीं।
सर हमने पहले पॉइंट किया था, बाद में लाइन, देन लाइन सेगमेंट, रे, then we have
intersecting lines.
Are you all getting my board to your screen?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
For sure, बच्चा पार्टी?
Very sure. Yes, sir, sure.
ओके चलो। मैथ चैप्टर नंबर
4.
चैप्टर नंबर 4 છે ને?
Ideas. Yes. Basic geometrical ideas.
ઓકે બેટા સારું થયું નામ કીધું હો, મને તો ખબર જ નહોતી. ચલો, are you all getting my screen to your screen? I mean board to your screen?
Yes, sir.
Getting. Okay, ચલો let us start. બહુ હોશિયાર છે ને ક્લાસ આ. કેવો ગયો પેપર?
બહુ મસ્ત. Yes, sir. Very nice. Easy paper. Sir.
હા બોલો.
સર કાલે રાત્રે પેપર પીડીએફ નાખીને તો બીજા નંબર પર તમે જે ઓલા ગ્રુપમાં મોકલ્યો હતો નંબર એ નંબર ઉપર નાખીને તો એમાં કંઈક ઇલેક્ટ્રિશિયન નો કે
એ
મેસેજ આવ્યો.
બધું that is none of your concern. I gave you that number, so you should have placed that over there. You don't have to worry about anything else. મેં ગ્રુપમાં નંબર લખ્યો તો મેં જાણી જોઈને જ લખ્યો હોય ને, કઈક સર કઈ મિસ્ટેક હોય તો એ તો તરત ડિલીટ થઈ જાય ને.
Sir, you
ગ્રુપમાં
check.
નંબર રહેવા દીધો એટલે એ સરનો હોય તો જ રહેવા દીધો હોય ને.
Sir, you check that PDF.
No, I haven't checked yet. જેની આવી ગઈ છે ઇટ્સ ઓકે, જેની નહીં આવી હોય એની હવે ચેક ન થાય.
Sir, I send it.
Sandy Multani Misbah.
અરે ભાઈ યાર મોકલી હોય તો શું થઈ ગયું, એક પછી એક શું કામ બોલો છો? ઇટ્સ ઓકે, મોકલી હશે તો તમારી રિસ્પોન્સિબિલિટી છે મોકલવાની. યુ હેવ ટુ સેન્ડ મી. એક એક પછી એક એક બોલશો મેં મોકલી કરીને. ઇટ્સ ઓકે. સરે ક્વેશ્ચન પેપર મોકલો કે ન મોકલો ગ્રુપમાં, તો તમારી ફરજમાં આવે ને FA1 નો પેપર આન્સર કોપી મોકલવાની. ધેટ્સ ઇટ, યુ ડીડ યોર જોબ. Now, our first topic, starting from the very beginning, I will go through with point. Then, second is line segment. Third is line. And fourth one is ray. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So now, chalo. What do you mean by point? I already explained you in our last lecture. Point means what? Can I say a You there? Girls, can you hear me?
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Sir.
Can I say a dot? If I say point A, can I say this point A? A vertex point, we will come to that topic, but point is a simple dot which is formed in a geometrical base. So this is said to be point A. It can be given name as point O. It can be given name as any. From A to Z, you can give this point name, whatever you would like to. Are you getting my point? Then line
Yes, sir.
segment. Line segment is what? Line segment is a line which is formed between two endpoints. A line segment is a line which is formed between two endpoints. Is that clear?
Yes,
If
sir.
I give a name
Yes, sir.
A and B, so if this is the measure of 5 centimeter, it will be equal for 5 centimeter. Whether you do a line segment from year to year, it will be 5 centimeter. If you do from year to year, again, the measure will be same for 5 centimeter. Are you getting my point? If the measure is fixed of 5 centimeter, તમે ઊભી કરો, crossમાં કરો line segment, whatever you do, if it is given as 5 centimeter, it will be considered 5 centimeter only. समझ पड़े છે કે नहीं?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So line segment has two endpoints between them. The line segment has two endpoints. Understood? This is the symbol of line segment. So this is formed as line segment AB. And શું કહેવાય? Line segment AB. Because the measurement of the given line segment is fixed. It cannot be 5.1, it cannot be 4.9. It is total as 5. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
If
Yes,
it is asked for
sir.
6, it will be 6. If it is asked for 10 centimeter, it will be of 10 centimeter. But the measurement of the line segment is always fixed. Is that clear, girls?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
For
sir.
line is with two end arrows. Two end arrows. This is not the point, a point નથી. આ AB કહ્યું છે, point નથી. This is end arrows and this is line AB. This is what we are writing here. Is that clear, girls?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt with this? So this
No,
is not
sir.
with the fixed measurement. It can be extended. Why it is arrow? It can be extended towards right side. It can be extended towards left side. It has no fixed measurement. Understood? So how to write the line AB as a symbol? So line AB with the symbol will be written like this. હવે અહીંયા AB નામ છે, અહીંયા PQ નામ આપી દો. For example, so what will be the name of the line? It will be line PQ. Have you all understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then
Understood.
ray. Ray. What do you mean by ray? Ray is the
Ray is
mixture
going to
of line segment and line. We can say it is the mixture of line segment and line. Line segment માં શું છે? Dot હોય. Line માં શું છે? Arrow હોય. So it can be a mixture of this. Ray can be in any direction. Ray can be from year to year. Ray can be from bottom to the top. Are you getting? સમજ પડે છે?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
If for example આપણે sun લઈ લઈએ, sun, તો sun can be a dot અને એનામાંથી રેસ બહાર પડે. ત્યાં તમારા ઉપર રેસ પડતી હોય, so rays can be what? It is with the arrows. It can be extended till infinite. समझ पड़े છે કે નહીં?
Yes.
But sun is the dot. કે sun ની પાછળ કાંઈ નથી જવાનું. It is end point over here. સમજાય છે? The reflections what you are getting on your side is known as rays. sun ની શું કહેવાય? rays પડે છે આપણા ઉપર. શું કહીએ આપણે?
Rays.
Have you all understood
Rays.
about the rays?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the ray symbol is, if for example any diagram has a ray OA, so it will be written like this. Ray OA symbol is like this. समझ पड़ी गई क्या नहीं?
Yes,
નામ
sir.
આપી દીધું છે example માં. example OA લઈ લીધું છે. But ray symbol is what? Line symbol is what? Line segment symbol is what? Any doubt with this?
No, sir. No doubt. No,
For
sir. No
sure?
doubt. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very sure.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
चलो.
Very sure.
Okay. Now next topic is intersecting lines. Our next topic is intersecting handwriting. समझाई છે बेटा?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. What do you mean by intersecting lines? If I say lines બોલાય છે, line segment ને intersecting શું બોલાય છે? Lines. So it will be having end arrows between them. If I say this is line 1, this is line 2, for example I am giving, it is intersected at point P. So intersect એટલે શું? કે જ્યાં join થતી હોય, જ્યાં એકબીજા સાથે cross થતી હોય. Are you getting? આ ક્યાં cross થાય છે? At point P. એવું જરૂરી નથી વચમાં દિખતા. It can be from year to year. સમજાય છે?
Yes.
It can be intersected here also. It happens that it may intersect here also at this point. समझाय છે કે नहीं? All the lines where it is intersected, where it is crossing to each other, at that point it is said to be intersected point. This is said to be intersected point. આને શું કહેવાય? Intersected point. Okay? આને શું કહેવાશે? Intersected point. This is said to be intersected point. This is said to be intersected point. समझाय છે? And the two lines which is crossing to each other is said to be intersecting lines. Any doubt with this, girls?
No, sir. No doubt.
No, sir. No doubt.
Sure na bachcha party?
Yes,
Sure.
sir. Sure. Very sure.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Very good. Very good. Chalo. Now, next topic is, see, it is very easy chapter. કોઈ confuse થવાની જરૂર નથી. સર આ ઉપર છેલ્લું તમે સમજાવો છો. What is connected with this chapter? That you will come to know when we will solve the sum. But you should be clear with the basic idea of about what is intersecting line, what is ray, what is point, what is line segment, what is line. You should be clear with that. Are you getting my point? હવે જ્યારે sum કરશો
Yes,
ત્યારે
sir.
તમને already answer આવડતા જ હશે. I guarantee you, you will be able to do this all the sums by your own. Sir ખાલી તમને direct જ કરશે. You will be answering that. That's for sure. So it is very easy chapter and it is very scoring chapter. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now next topic is parallel lines. Our next topic is parallel
Parallel.
lines. Can anyone have any idea about parallel lines? Anybody from the class, Bachcha Party? No idea?
No, sir, no idea.
No idea. Parallel lines is a line. See, it is again said to be line, not the line segment. Parallel lines are the two lines which goes parallelly. Parallelly, it can be extended from here. It can be extended from this also. Are you getting my point?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
There are two rules for this parallel lines. One is what? They never meet each other. They never meet. What is the first point? They never meet each other. Okay? And second
Okay.
point is they have equal distance. Then only it is said to be parallel line. They never meet each other. Railway no track જોયો તમે? Railway no track, train જાય છે.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
track always have the equal distance if you do remember.
Yes.
Yes
Yes.
or no? If this line is going slant like this, then this line also will be going slant like this. Can you see?
Yes,
Yes.
But it will be parallel to each other. Why? Because it has equal distance and they never meet. આગળ એની લાઈફમાં કોઈ દિવસ meet નહીં કરે. આવી રીતે નહીં થાય. It will never be intersecting to each other. સમજાય છે?
Yes, sir.
As, as they do not intersect to each other, for that purpose it is said to be parallel line. For that purpose, if you go like this will be also go like this only. So they never meet to each other. It will be extended up till infinite, but they will never meet to each other because they have equal in distance. If they have equal in distance, then only it is said to be parallel lines. Any doubt here?
No, sir. No doubt.
No doubt.
No doubt.
No, sir. No
if,
doubt.
if I write here line PQ and if I wrote here line AB. So how to write this? Line PQ is parallel. This is the symbol of parallel. See, ઊભા બે line. That means 11 લખો ને જે રીતે. This is the symbol of parallel. Line PQ is parallel to line AB. Can you see here? Both the lines are equally parallel. The parallel lines can be this also. Like this also it can be parallel lines. समझ पड़ी गई girls?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any doubt with this topic, बच्चा पार्टी?
No, sir. No doubt.
No, sir. No, sir. No doubt.
ક્લાસ હોશિયાર લાગે છો ભાઈ? હે?
Thank you,
હોશિયાર
sir.
હે હોશિયાર છે?
Thank you, sir.
હજી પેપર ચેક થયા નથી. પેપર ચેક થાય તો ખબર પડે કેટલામાં છે. પણ આમ પણ ઈ લોકોએ કોપી કર્યો છે તો કોને ખબર છે? કોઈ સર કે ટીચર તો જોવા આવ્યા નથી, કોઈ પેરેન્ટ્સ તો જોયું નથી પેરેન્ટ્સે. અમુકના પેરેન્ટ્સે બહુ ધ્યાનથી લીધું હશે. અમુકના પેરેન્ટ્સને ખબર પણ નહીં હોય કે એક્ઝામ ચાલુ છે. ચલો, let's come to the next topic. The next topic is curves. Curves means what? Any rough diagram which can be formed. Can I say this is curved?
No.
Can I say this is curved?
No, sir.
Why no, sir? આ curved નથી. આ curved નથી. આમને આમ લાઈન આમથી આમ થાય છે તો curved નથી.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is said to be curved. It is said to be curved. Curved means what? Any shape. Curved means what? Any shape, not a straight line. This is also said to be curved. This is also said to be curved. Any shape can be said to be curved. Curved એટલે શું? It is not in straight lines. समझ पड़ी गई क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
So this curve, can you see a simple નથી intersect થતું, એકબીજાની લાઈન કટ નથી થતી. So can I say this is a simple curve?
Yes.
And
Yes,
can
sir.
I say this
Yes,
is
sir.
an intersecting curve?
Yes. Yes, sir.
કેમ કે આ અહીંયાથી સ્ટાર્ટ થાય છે પણ અહીંયાથી intersect થઈને પાછું કટ થાય છે. Are you getting? So this
Yes,
is
sir.
a
Getting.
simple curve. We can say plain curve. Simple curve, કોઈ જાતની મગજમારી વગરનું. And this is intersecting curve. We don't have to study this. Intersecting curve નથી ભણવું આપણે. A topic intersecting we are not going to study. Okay? Can I say simple curve? Simple curve એટલે ખબર પડી ગઈ તમને? એ પણ બહુ લાંબુ આવવાનું નથી, but are you clear with the content of simple and intersecting curve?
Yes, sir.
Now we have to learn two parts of curve. Curves are of two parts. One is closed curve and another one is open curve. Okay? These are the two topics we have to study in this. So if I say that this curve started from here, if I started here drawing the curve from here to here and shape it and end towards the same point, can I say this is a closed curve?
Yes. Yes, sir.
समझ पड़ी गई क्या नहीं girls? If
Yes,
I
sir.
start
Yes,
this
sir.
curve
Understood.
from this point, I started shaping the curve, I started in its end at the other point. Can you see the gap is there?
Yes.
It is not joint, not at single point. Mute your mic. Who is that girl? Mute your mic.
Also mute your mic.
So you are getting that one point is starting point and the other point you are getting as end point. So there are two different points in the same figure. देखाई છે girls?
Yes, sir.
So there will be a gap in between. So it is said to be open curved.
Yes. Yes.
Any doubt with this, Bacha Party?
No, sir. No, doubt. No doubt.
So curve can be any shape. Any shape. We are least bothered about kayo shape che, intersecting shape che, simple che, whatever it may be. Curves can be in any shape. Triangle, square, rectangle, polygon. Polygon now a topic આવશે. That you will come to know what do you mean by polygon. But curves can be in any shape. If it is started from one point and end to the same point, it is said to be closed figure. Right? So it is said to be closed curved. If it is open figure, it is said to be open curved. Any doubt with this?
No, sir. No, sir. No doubt.
Very good. Chalo. Still we have time. We will be completing polygons. Don't worry. Chalo. આપણી પાસે 10 minutes છે. આપણે હજી એક point cover કરી લઈએ.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we have completed curves, open curved and closed curved. Now we are in polygon. Now who will tell me what do you mean by polygon? Can anyone tell me, girls? Anybody from the class? Anybody who wants to try to answer? Whether it is wrong or correct, that is least concern. Don't bother about it. But trying related to the content, what is asked.
Sir, can I malakta hai?
हाँ बेटा कब?
Polygon. Sir, shape નું નામ છે ને polygon.
Polygon. Wait. Polygon are the figures. Let me clear you. Are the figures which is formed with the help of line segment. Line segment એટલે શું બેટા? A line between two dots. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
समझ पड़े छे कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting? So polygons are the figures, are the diagrams which is formed with the help of line segment. If I form a square, can I say all the line segments are there?
Yes, sir.
So all the line segments are there.
Yes,
So this is said to be polygon. Can I say triangle?
Yes, sir.
Understood. Can I say rectangle?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I say diamond shape?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I say rhombus?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Can I say
sir.
parallelogram?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting the point? Can I say this figure at odd figure?
Yes.
Again, this is said to be line segments only. It is prepared with the help of line segments. If I say this, is this said to be polygon?
No.
No.
No. Why? Because the complete diagram is not prepared with the help of line segment. There are three parts which is prepared with the help of line segment, but you are getting one as curved right here. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes,
Understood,
sir.
Mr. Patil? What do
Yes,
you mean
sir.
by polygon?
Understood.
Polygon are the figures. Polygons are the figures which is prepared with the help of line segment. Scale pencil થી scale થી જે draw થયેલા diagram હોય, that all diagram are said to be polygons. Now in polygons we have few points to remember. We have few points to be followed. One is vertices. Second is sides. And the third is diagonals. Now, what do you mean by vertices? Can anyone tell me from the class? Vertices plural છે. Singular શું આવે એનું? Vertex. We can say vertex also. So vertex means what? If I say a square ABCD, so the points which are having point A, this is said to be vertices. A, B, C and D. So vertex point એકની વાત થતી હોય તો vertices are of the given figure is what? A, B, C, D. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
સમજાય છે? Side.
Yes,
What are the
sir.
sides of the given figure? Side AB, then side BC, then side CD, and then DA. AB થઈ, BC થઈ, CD થઈ, DA થઈ. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And what do you mean by diagonals? What do you mean by diagonals? Diagonals are the opposite point to be connected. This is said to be diagonals. Diagonal AC and diagonal BD. AC and a BD થઈ diagonals.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood? This is to be applied for all the figures, all the polygons that you will come to know when we will go through with all the sums of this exercise. Understood? So have you cleared with the word polygon?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. So આપણે અહીંયા સુધી રાખશું આજે. We have completed how many points from this chapter? We studied what is point, line segment, then line, then
Line, ray,
ray, then intersecting line, then parallel line,
Parallel line, curve,
then curves માં બે point હતા, open
polygon,
curve and
and close
close
open curve
curve.
and closed curve.
Then we studied about polygon. Polygon has 3 points. What I say?
What I say,
Sides
sides and
diagonal.
diagonal.
So now your homework is to refer all the topics what we have studied up till now in the class once from your textbook. Is that clear?
Yes,
Those who have PDF or app, you can go through with that also. Hello, have a nice time. Do take care of yourself.
Yes,
Take
sir.
care of your health very well. And we are going to continue this chapter in our next lecture. Okay? Bye-bye, girls.
Yes, sir. Have a good day.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Have a wonderful day. Bye, sir. Have a nice day. इंग्लिश लेसन
अब किसका लेक्चर है?
अभी है ना
किसका लेक्चर? छुट्टी का लेक्चर है हमारे। दानिया 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 तेरी कैट दिखाना।
मैथमेटिक्स
मुझे ना कैट खरीदनी।